Hello everybody! It has been so long since I've seen you guys, and I'm so grateful to be here and that you're here to take a moment and just be in peace because we all need it. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everybody had a beautiful holiday season, got to celebrate, have a good time, and stay safe. This past year has been absolutely crazy, as I'm sure everybody feels the same way, and I'm excited to kind of start a new year, a new chapter, and make things as best as I can possibly be considering the circumstances. So I just wanted to share a moment of cleansing with everybody. So much is going on in our world right now, and I know that we all need to find our way back to peace. I wanted to invite everybody to take a moment with me. We're gonna cleanse ourselves and cleanse our energy, release some things, set a couple intentions for the new year, for the energy that we want to cultivate throughout the year. So I want to invite you to find a comfortable spot wherever it is that you are right now. I have a couple of fun tools with me that I'm going to use. The first thing that I want to start with, and if you have any selenite in your collection, I would definitely encourage you to grab some. I have a beautiful wand here, and we're just gonna do a whole body energy cleanse. If you don't have any tools, just take a moment to meditate and imagine me waving this cleansing stone all over your body from head to toe, and almost imagine any negative energy that you're storing just sticking to the selenite like a magnet. Just removing everything that is stuck in your body, in your aura, clouding up your mind, your thoughts, any physical pains that you might be feeling. Just imagine me running this over your whole body and letting everything go. And if you have a piece of selenite, I invite you to also do this with me. Even if it's a small piece, it doesn't matter. And you want to brush from the top of your head down to your root chakra where we release. Letting all of that energy go. Beautiful. So now that we have done our little selenite cleansing, I'm gonna get out a little bit of sage, and let's do a quick smudge with each other. I'm running a little low. I'm trying not to buy sage or Palo Santo at the moment. I'm just using up what I have left to keep these things sacred as they are meant to be. So I have this gorgeous amethyst candle right here, and I'm just lighting my sage. Amethyst is a good stone for peace, for balance, which we definitely need right now. Just offering a little cleansing to you. Just close your eyes, sit back, roll the shoulders back. Let the sage just carry away anything that's left after our selenite cleanse. Open your windows and let the smoke just carry any of this negative energy out. Use my little wand for you. Beautiful. And while we're doing our sage, this is also a good time to create physical space in your body, whether that is by doing a little bit of breath work and exercising the lungs, really breathing in as deep as you can, letting your whole chest expand and feeling the space that you're creating there. Or if you have it available to you, maybe doing a couple of stretches, even if you're sitting in a chair, rolling out the neck, breathing while you do so. Rolling the shoulders out. Where we carry a lot of weight, a lot of burdens. rotating at your hips, where we carry all of our emotions. And just creating space in your physical body for these energies to flow. We can't release things when they're stuck, when they're stagnant. We need to give them room to move, invite them to go with gratitude, and open up that space for something else, something more intentional. So just take a few moments to stretch, or just breathe if that's all that's available to you. Beautiful. So this has been one of my favorite candle holders as of late. I've been using this a lot. So I felt called to grab this candle. Just watch the flame. And as you're watching this flame just kind of dance around, think about all the space that you just created in your body, right? Think of all the energy that we just released, all of the space, the physical space that we've created within our bodies. And now that we have invited energies out that we no longer need, think about what energies you want to call in to take up that space that we just created, right? There's no right or wrong answer. Whatever feels right to you. Maybe think about all of the things that you want to create this year, all of the ways that you want to feel this year, the energies that you want to hold in yourself. I want to be more creative. I want to be more optimistic. I want to be more positive in such a negative time, right? So just brainstorm. You can grab a notebook if it helps you. And just call in all of those beautiful things that you want to experience this year. I'm also calling in peace and love and companionship, connection with one another. That's been something that's been particularly rough this past year for many, many people. It's like a little hope flame. I really like it. I've always been really drawn to work with fire, which is interesting because there's not very much fire in my chart. So take as much time as you need here. Think of anything that you want to call in. You can always come back to this little meditation if you feel the need to. I'm gonna leave this candle burning for a while, so just keep that in the back of your mind, that this candle that holds all of our intentions, all of our wishes for this year and for this present moment, it is being fueled up by this flame right now. So I'm gonna just move the candle. I'm not blowing it out, I just wanna move it somewhere safe. Oh my goodness. I just wanted to give everybody the opportunity to breathe and center themselves in the energy that they want to be feeling and that they want to be giving out to the world. I want to invite everybody to come back to this video whenever you need a moment to breathe. I am thinking about doing these as a live stream so that everybody can in real time contribute how they're feeling, and we can set intentions as a group. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. I would probably just do them live on here. And I also want to just remind everybody that all of the things that are going on in our world right now have a lot to do with the kind of subconscious things about each of us, the way that we think, the way that we feel, the traumas that we hold on to. So when things feel heavy, it's kind of like the universe inviting us to really dive into our shadow and really bring light to those things that maybe make us uncomfortable, even though, like I said, it's uncomfortable and it's not always the most fun thing in the world to do. It is our duty as human beings, as souls who have decided to come here for this journey. We are responsible for working within ourselves and in our shadow so that we can be the best version of ourselves. I just want to invite everybody to dive into your shadow. It is very, very important, and we all have one. We all have shadow parts of us. It doesn't make you a bad person. But it is our responsibility to dive into those things and to work through those traumas and heal those parts of ourselves. If we don't heal them, we are just kind of projecting them out to the world, and that's when ugly things happen. So I just want to extend that to you and also offer you my deepest love and strength and health in this moment and on from now, you know, through the rest of the year. If you really need support in working through your shadows, or if you don't really know what that means, please let me know. Jump in the comments below. I'm usually very active in the comments here, but I'm always around on Instagram, and you can always email me if you want to talk a little bit more one-on-one. I would love to support any of you in any way that I can. I wanted to burn a little bit of the Palo Santo that I have left with you guys. Palo Santo is more for inviting in the good energies for me personally. So now that we've created the space, we've set our intention, and hopefully this Palo Santo will help seal the deal. So yeah, set your intentions, but the only way to bring new energy forward is to release energy that is stuck within you, that is stagnant, that you don't need anymore. So doing things like this little meditation, doing things like shadow work, journaling, whatever calls to you personally, those are the things that are going to help bring your intentions to life. So I just want to start the year off with that. I hope that you decide that this year is your year and that you feel the energy of, you know, I can do anything I set my mind to this year. I really hope that you kind of bask in that energy. I really, really, really do. I wish that for all of you and for myself and my family and my dog. I hope you enjoy this little video. I hope this helps you through everything that's going on right now, and I will see you very soon on the channel for some vlogs and some fun new videos for the new year. I see you, I love you, I support you, and thank you for being here. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.